everyone, another vlog about an ESL company which is Priply. So Priply is one of my company and this one is convenient just like other companies na nagkaroon ako. But this one is more on adult students sila. You can learn different languages here. You can be a teacher or a student. Pero kailangan mong gumawa ng ibang account. So if you want to be a tutor, you can earn here dollars. By the way, this is dollar rate sila. At yun lang. I will say something about this platform, but first let's know about this. So they learn faster with your best language tutor. That's their tagline. Yun nga. Then they have 44,000 plus experienced tutor. Wow. 300,000 five-star tutor reviews and 120 plus subjects taught. hmm And they have also this one. As you can see, English tutors, Spanish, if you want to learn another language. You better try here. Pero expensive nga lang kasi dollar rate. French tutors, German tutors, Italian. Could be also Filipino, your language or language. Or dialect, your dialect. Sometimes they're looking for it. Lalo na yung gusto mag-asawa ng Pinoy. Yung mga gusto mag-asawa ng Pinay. They are looking for teachers and they want to impress the family of the bride or the groom itself. So yun yung kagandahan. Then and you can find your tutor, you can choose the tutor if gusto mo maging student. At the same time, uh, this one, they guarantee they have, or this one, if you want to become a tutor, you can click here, become a tutor, then it would lead to what you want. But first, let's know kung ano nga ba yung mga kailangan mo before ka maging tutor here at Priply. Let's see. Let's click the become a tutor. By the way, you can type on Google. Let me try if I can type here. Let's try Priply application. That's it. Capital siya. That's it. Then click register to teach Priply. Then it leads you to where you want. Yun, pag nakita niyo na tong become a tutor, click niyo lang tong become a tutor, then it will lead to this, making a living by teaching largest community of learners. So there will be sign up, of course, then get approved 5 business days siya, then start earning. So let's know all about this. Click that. So you can use your Google account or Gmail, Facebook account, but I prefer my Google account, so I'm using it to teach. Then, of course, you need to prepare an introduction video of yourself showing your language learning that you would offer to the students, and make sure that it shows how creative and your what the student will expect on your class. At the same time, you can set your own rate here, just like what they're claiming a while ago. This one sets your own rate, so it can be 15 to 20 per dollar per hour. So marami siyang student for me, ha, because you can contact the student once they viewed your profile. They you will contact them, and then ang problema ko lang sa kanya, once you have trial, it's on the company. Wala kang makukuhang pera. As in, 50 minutes yung trial niya and nakaka-decide pa kung si student ay magbubook ng another class sa'yo. So, yun lang. Sa company mapupunta, for example, $4, 50 minutes trial yon, mapupunta sa company lahat yun. So, walang percentage sa'yo, walang mapupunta sa'yo. Like half of it, no, you wouldn't expect that. Don't expect that. So teach anytime, anywhere. You can wear anything. Teach kahit ganito yung background mo. At kaya nito, pwede ka magturo na ka nakasando. Pwede ka na, kasi ganun yun eh. And you can use also like this, just for the student not to see that you're wearing. So, gagawa ka na lang ng paraan. Then, grow professionally, of course. Some of your students, they recommend you to other friends that they have. So, on Preply. Then, meron silang platform also. You can use Skype if hindi ka available that day. You can contact the student and then resume on Skype. Then, Zoom or mismong Preply Classroom. Ang ganda ng Preply Classroom nila. Let's see. Okay, I will show you on other vlogs. So, this is create a profile. Tutor profile. Click nyo yan, then fill out the information that is needed. So, Preply is allowed to make living without leaving home. Wow, cute ng tagline nila. I like it. So, that's it. I think it's just a sniff of what to expect on Preply. And yung kung starting kayo, okay lang dito. I can say mabilis yung process nila and it helps you to have students, especially if you don't prefer teaching kids, more on adult students, yun, maganda ang Preply. And there are sometimes students that you will encounter, they will prepare for ALS exam, TEFL exam, that's it. And mostly my students, they like Tagalog or Filipino language for learning. Mhm. And if you're a student, if you want to learn here, it's better also to learn it verbally. So I'll see you again in my next vlog. Comment down below and subscribe on my channel for future vlogs about different platforms. Bye!